Good morning. Here's our cipher project evaluating disinformation resiliency in Eastern Europe. On Thursday, February 24th, Russia invaded Ukraine. This invasion didn't happen out of the blue. It was a culmination of a years-long disinformation campaign by the Russian government directed at Russian civilians. To garner support for the invasion, the Kremlin painted the Ukrainian government as run by Nazis and contend that the Ukrainian people needed liberation. This ongoing war is a testament to the power of disinformation in shaping international politics. But Russia's disinformation campaigns have never been limited to its domestic space. The country has a history of using disinformation against adversaries and to advance national interests. Considering geographic and media proximity, as well as international politics, we have identified 4 Eastern European countries that are likely targets for present and future Russian disinformation campaigns: Estonia, Poland, Hungary, and Ukraine. For our project, we sought to develop and test a quantitative methodology for evaluating the disinformation resiliency of each of these countries. Despite the major international security consequences of disinfo in Eastern Europe, relevant data and research tools are sparse. For our project, we built on existing tools like CrowdTangle and the Facebook Graph API to develop data collection tools that will aid disinfo researchers in collecting data from previously untapped corners of social media. We've made our tools readily available on GitHub, and we plan on sharing all data that we collect. To demonstrate a proof of concept of our quantitative methodology, we investigated anti-NATO disinformation targeted at Estonia. We followed a 5-step method to collect and analyze anti-NATO disinformation targeted at Estonia. Step 1 requires manual collection of articles containing disinformation. Steps 2 to 4 are automated through our web scraping tools, and step 5 is the data analysis that we are in the process of automating. Here's what we found. Weighted by page group and size, the kinds of articles that were posted were overwhelmingly done so by Russian state media at 78.9%, followed by non-state political pages at 10.4%. Interestingly, public Facebook groups only comprise 0.9% of weighted postings. Second, there's limited correlation between the number of interactions and comments on a post containing disinformation and how long the users continue to interact with it.